Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking. It's been long we haven't had a session, right?
Yes, absolutely right. Correct. We will
Yeah.
observe long time.
Yes. So, what are you doing these days?
Yeah. So nowadays, the coming in Diwali festival. So
Hmm.
everybody has this festival is a big festival for everyone. But we are not celebrated because of in my home some issues. But nowadays, people are celebrated Diwali. So they are right now the preparing for Diwalis. Like everyone are busy for Diwalis.
And what's about shopping? Do you like shopping?
Yeah, I like the shopping. Yeah. So most of the time I prepare the offline shoppings. If I wanted to buy the clothes and so I prepare the offline shoppings, offline. Because the online shoppings clothes and I'm not aware about this. I don't have no much knowledge. If I buy online, if not prepare a good wear like this, so clothes, so it's what the difficult. So that most of the time I just thinking I want to buy the offline shoppings. So I go there and store and can I buy my own clothes. Yeah.
Yeah. And then what's about the window shopping? Do you know? Do you like window shopping? And do you know what is the window shopping exactly?
No, no, no.
Yeah, window shopping is like you are going for the malls and the clothes stores and the shopping, but you are not buying anything. Like offline shopping, I don't like online shopping because you can't check the fabric as well. You can't try that dress. You can't
Eh,
even yeah, put on that dress. You do not know how is it looking good or not, and because of that. I do not usually prefer the online shopping. I usually prefer offline shopping.
just I wanted to ask about the Diwalis. How do you celebrate the Diwali?
In a traditional way. I light diyas, I make rangoli, I make sweet. Now we
Oh,
spend time together. We do shopping and we have also bought lightings as well. So we just like decor our home with lighting,
yeah,
and that is how we celebrate Diwali. And especially Lakshmi Puja is the main puja during Diwali, as you know that, right?
yeah,
Lakshmi
yeah,
Puja.
exactly. Lakshmi Puja, I know. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Why do we celebrate Diwali?
you know, the we are celebrating Diwali because the Diwali is celebrate the big festival. Everyone. The reason
Yes.
is that Ram is going to Ayodhya, comes to again Ayodhya return after 14 years doing the Vanvas. So he's come to with Sita, and that's why we know he's after complete coming to come after within 14 years. So
Hmm.
that's why we are like happiness and the bring the coming to happiness for our
Yeah.
lives. So
Yeah.
that moment we are celebrate the Diwali. Uh, the main reason that I can say
Yeah. And what is the main tradition of Diwali?
the main reason is that traditional Diwali we love we bring the happiness, bring the light and all things in our lives. So we enjoy these days.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why we are celebrating Diwali. We are doing something different. We need to prepare before that Diwali. We doing the all kind of things like in the home, dishes and all things. We buying the clothes, new clothes, other kind of things. We prepared, made the sweets, different sweets.
Diwali, we also clean our homes and decoration with oil lamps, making rangoli, right? And
Yeah.
performing Lakshmi Puja as well, and bursting firecrackers. I do not do that. I am not big fan of bursting crackers. It is not good. I am not bursting crackers since my childhood because it was our one subject, environment subject, and my our teacher told us that it is not good for our environment, and you are only wasting your money. And because of that, I have never burst crackers ever. Yeah, like Fulger is there is a small cracker. I must say it is not exactly crackers, but yeah, only one. That's it.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah, like, but if I say about me, in my childhood, I used to do the thing, this kind of things like cracker and
Yeah,
all things. But right now, I'm not aware about this. I just celebrate normal celebration like
Hmm.
at home, doing the lighting and some things, and outside my home door, we made the rangoli and all right, this kind of things. Also, we are buying the new clothes. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's enough. And inside the outside the door, we the Shiva Jalan, क्या बोलते हैं इसको English?
yeah, lighting the lamp.
Lighting the light, and yeah, that kind of I'm just this kind of things I am just doing. Yeah, like that. And we made the different sweets, and we give to our neighbors also, like that.
Yes. And what is exactly Lakshmi Pujan? Do you celebrate Lakshmi Pujan as well?
Yeah, we celebrate the Lakshmi Puja. That's enough.
Lakshmi, yeah, Lakshmi Puja is the sign of wealth and prosperity, right? So
Yeah,
we always do puja of Lakshmi, and this is the main um, part of Diwali. Without Lakshmi Pujan,
yeah,
there is no Diwali. And
yeah,
during Lakshmi Puja, it's an Amavas,
correct.
and there is Amavas, there is Lakshmi Puja, and
Yeah,
and then we light the lamp as well, and we welcome Lakshmi at home,
yeah,
right?
correct. Yeah,
Yeah. So how many days do you celebrate Diwali?
we celebrate the Diwali for 4 5 days. Like,
Yeah, yeah. So can you please tell me like how do you celebrate 5 days?
yeah, the first days, the like the first days with in first days
Dhanateras.
with yeah, another she that time in first days.
Can I tell you how I celebrate the 5 days?
Yeah, 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 sure, sure.
Yeah. First is Dhanateras, and we celebrate Dhanateras like celebrating wealth and prosperity because people are there who buy gold and silver as well. If you have vehicle, so you can also, if you are going to buy and if you have planned to buy a vehicle, so you can also buy a vehicle during Diwali on especially on
Correct.
Dhanateras. And second day is that Narak Chaturdashi. I just
Okay,
marketing the victory of Lord Krishna over the demon Narak Narkasura. Like
okay,
it was a story about the Narkasura and who has made the victory on the like Krishna has made the victory on the Narkasura. So and third day is that main Diwali day Lakshmi Puja. Third day is about the Lakshmi Pujan. We worship Lakshmi because she is a sign of prosperity. And
okay.
fourth day is then Govardhan Puja, celebrating Lord Krishna lifting Govardhan on the hill. Like he just lifted the Govardhan on his finger. Fourth day of Diwali has done, and fifth day is an Bhau Beej. Bhau Beej, and in Hindi it is an Bhau Duj, Bhai Duj, right?
Yeah,
Like
correct.
it's celebrating. We celebrate Bhau Beej. It shows and it is a sign of bonding between brother and sister.
Yeah, correct. Correct.
Yeah,
On that
yeah,
day, correct.
yeah. So
You
that's
are
how we
also,
celebrate Diwali for 5 days.
yeah, correct. You
Yeah.
are also right. It is nice. We are also like doing this kind of things also
Hmm.
on 5 days, like celebrate Diwali.
Yeah, yeah. And
Yeah.
why is Diwali called a festival of lights? Do you have any idea about it?
The because that on that days we are bring the happiness and bring the lighting in your life. So the
Yeah.
that on that days everybody has come together, and we are celebrate this Diwali.
Yes, yes. We because we light our home with diyas and we get the victory over the evils. We spread good vibes with everyone and we want this vibe forever with us. And because of that, we like diyas. And that is how uh, we like diyas during Diwali. Yes.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. So it
Correct.
is all about Diwali that lots of learners are there and lots of they are from different state as well. So they do have different culture and they do not know about Diwali. So
Yeah.
I hope, I believe that they get to know about Diwali. Why do we celebrate Diwali? How do we celebrate Diwali? And for
Correct.
learners,
You're
I
absolutely
will tell them that we both are Marathi. Like you are and I am also Marathi, right?
right. Yeah.
So we
Yes, you're
celebrate
absolutely
Diwali
right.
in manner. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yes, you're absolutely
Right.
right. That's right.
Yes.
And the people are not also aware. We are just still we are Maharashtrian also people just wanted to celebrate Diwali, but they are not aware about the meaning of Diwali. Don't scare. So you do not buy the crackers and all things?
Never.
No. Oh, you can try to right now.
No, I don't want to burst crackers.
Why it's the this time you can celebrate because if you wanted to, if you scared about this many years you can share. So I thought you need to try.
But what I think is that Diwali can be celebrate without crackers as well. So lighting the diyas, it is the main thing, and also just
Yeah,
making the
yeah,
rangolis as well. That is how you can celebrate Diwali. So I love
yeah.
to make rangoli. So I'm going to make lots of rangoli. So I will also
Oh,
like to do some practice of rangoli as well because I am not good in rangoli. For my home, entire home with rangoli. So I enjoy making rangoli, and it take almost 2 hours to make rangoli, 2 to 3 hours.
oh, that's a great. So in Diwali, do you prepare which rangoli you can made preparing?
I haven't planned it yet, but yeah, I will make something different rangoli. So, and I have also started taking paid sessions, as you know that it's been a
Yeah.
long that I'm taking online sessions. So if
Oh,
anyone wants to enroll for my classes, they can also enroll. They can mail me on my mail. And I have given my mail on my channel description. They can check it out and they can mail me for paid sessions. The fees are also affordable, so they can improve their communication skills. And as you know that Diwali is just around the corner, and we have the Diwali holiday. So I
yeah.
want we must use this time productively, and we must
Correct.
learn this language, right? Get one
Yeah,
step
you're absolutely
closer to English this Diwali.
right.
Thank you so much, Prathamesh, for joining this session.
Yeah, thank you so much for me also, and given the lot of share the knowledge and about the Diwali for people
Yeah,
who never understand, so they get the knowledge about this conversation session. I think so because
yeah.
nobody can understand. Just they wanted to celebrate Diwali, but they never aware. So I think the this session will be they get the knowledge about the experience also. I think
Yeah.
so. That's a great.
Yeah, Diwali is a big festival for Marathi people, especially. So we are celebrating it, and learners are there. They are from different state and different country as well. And through this session, they will definitely learn about Diwali and how we celebrate Diwali and all. So thank you
Yeah,
for
correct.
joining this session. Bye. Take care. Have a great day.
Yeah.